To make the dig sander shaft, I will use two bearings, both like this one. If I use a washer to press the ring in the center of the bearing still can spin without any problem. This silver pipe is 10 mm in diameter, and I will cut a piece. This is the piece I have cut. It is 36 mm long. This piece is longer than one bearing on the other. The difference is 20 mm. So I have this copper pipe, and I will cut a piece 20 mm long. And I file the cut and the bore. The cut must be at 90 degrees with the pipe axis, but in this case it is not perfect. Now the bearings plus the copper pipe are as long as the silver pipe, while the silver pipe is slightly shorter. The silver pipe fits perfect inside the copper pipe. And it will also fit in the bearings, but too tight. Besides, I have an 8 mm threaded rod, and I can screw it inside the silver pipe. The silver pipe is smooth in the inside, but with some effort I can screw the threaded rod, so the threaded rod carves a thread inside the silver pipe. I put here a washer. I put the first bearing on the washer, and I want to fit this in the hole in the bearing. Now I put the copper pipe. And I'll try to fit the other end in the hole in the other bearing. I don't know why, but it was more difficult to insert this part of the pipe in this bearing. Now I put one small washer and one nut in each end of the pipe. And this shaft turns quite nice inside the bearings, but I can feel a very little wobble. Now, to make sure the nuts won't get loose, I will put a self-locking nut against each nut. And this is the shaft with the bearings. The truth is that I don't know why, but it has a very little wobble. But I hope after some use everything will adjust so the little wobble disappears. Well, I will use this shaft to make a homemade dig sander, and I hope it will help to protect the drill from vibrations. Thanks for watching. If you like this shaft, remember to like the video and to share it. You can find all my videos in my channel in YouTube. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.